Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And yeah, we found another one for you guys. Take a look at this rig right here. That's a 2015 Peterbilt 337 chassis, and it's running a Marion 22-foot snap-on box. Whole bunch of other cool stuff I'm going to show you about. To start with, I want to show you the truck though. Peterbilt, you don't get a whole lot better now. Look at how pretty, look at how straight, look at how clean that truck is. Unbelievable. Such a nice little piece right there. It's got the aluminum fuel tank, 50-gallon tank on it. It's got the skirting all the way around the bottom up there. Box is really, really good. Nobody's run into it. You got the airfoil up on top and the sun visor. That's pretty cool. Kind of a little thing that Peterbilt's kind of famous for. I did notice, probably won't show up in the camera, but right there, it's got one little chip in the windshield. So just gonna let you know that right now. So 2015 Peterbilt. So she's running the PX7. It's the PACCAR version of the Cummins. So that's a PX7. Backed up by an Allison automatic transmission, and she is just set up so nicely you won't believe it. This has got so much stuff, it's unbelievable. Look at here. Here's a little door right here. And look, an exhaust pipe. My, oh my, what could it be? Oh, look at there. Nice old Onan commercial QD remote control starts. Got a whole 3,600 hours on it. Nice, nice, nice. And you guys up north, obviously, we don't have rust and we don't have all that kind of stuff. It looks like somebody got a little close right there one time. 2,000-pound liftgate. And this little piece right here, this just makes into a, you gotta release it over here. You release it right there. And then that just flips down, makes a nice little level ramp, a little loading ramp for you so you can run your stuff up there. 2,000-pound capacity. These little rails right here, if you flip those over, that'll help you control your stuff so it doesn't fall off the sides. And of course you got your dual pass door on the side right there. Nice truck. Such a nice piece. Look at there, you got a backup camera. I'll show that to you later. So the liftgate's pretty cool. It has a remote control, and it unplugs right there. So you don't have to worry about walking away and letting somebody come in there and let themselves in. So what you do to close this is you step on that, push that piece down, and then when you raise it up, as soon as that hits that little thing underneath there, right there, then you could just get out of the way and let her do her thing. Now that's going to go all the way up. And if you look right there, it's got a nice little catch. You get it up there, you give it just a little bit of a bump, and she's locked in place. Here you go, good way. Now you got little latches right here. You can put those pins in there if you want to have extra security. You can padlock it. You can do whatever you want. I'm just going to take this with now so I don't forget it, because I don't want to drive away and leave it there. Hey, inside this little compartment right here, that's some nice little storage area right there. I want to show it to you for two reasons. One reason is I want to show you that it comes with storage. I don't know what that stuff is, guys. You can have it. I don't need it. The other reason I wanted to show it to you is look at the hinges. Look at that. There's no rust on this truck. You guys will be able to drive this thing for a long time. This truck's got a whole 150,000 miles on it. Holy cow, and a Peterbilt with that PACCAR motor, that's absolutely nothing. Got alloy wheels on it, tires are good. I don't think you got to do anything with them for a while. You got the little sliding entrance door right here, and that's got heavy duty lock bolts on it, so you can secure that without any problem. Nice little aluminum entrance right here. You got a switch right here to turn the interior lights on and off. There's another one up on the dashboard as well. And when you go inside this monster, well, let me turn the radio down. You got speakers everywhere. Okay, so let's just turn this thing down. That is a Pioneer It looks like it's a CD player, probably a whole bunch of other good stuff on it right now, but for right now I just want to show you the rest of this. You get the nice padded flooring down on the floor down here. You get outlets all over the place because remember you got that Onan generator sitting out back there. Air conditioning right here, feels nice and cool. Missing the filter pads on that one. LED lighting. There's voltage supply here if you want to put a laptop or whatever you want to do. By the way, there is a widescreen or a LED screen or something or other right there. Don't know anything about it. It's there. You get to keep it. Storage. Tie down straps because they used to put toolboxes in here. Totally finished. Such a nice piece. You got heavy duty stuff there. If you got something heavy you got to put down, you can right there. You got a little workstation here. This is the control. This is where you start and stop your generator right there. These are the breakers. Right now we're running the gen set, so we're going to have the on breakers right there. So when you turn that off, just all those lights went off, right? Turn it back on again. Now the air and everything will come back on. Generator is running. Everything is fine. If you're going to hook it up to the LAN outside, then you hook it up there and then you plug that in and then you raise that breaker right there. Nice. Such a beautiful truck. This, they say, is a 22-foot box. Haven't measured it, probably not going to. I'm going to take their word for it. Let's see here. This must, there's got to be somewhere here must be a little something you got to lift here. Oh, there we go. No? Well, there's a trick to that someplace. There's a latch on it so it doesn't swing open and close when you're driving. There's your equalizers and all that stuff for the sound system. You got a reclining seat on the passenger side, all cloth, all very nice. Driver's side is air ride. You got to love Peterbilt. They're pretty proud. They put the name right there. Armrest on the driver's side, all kinds of cool stuff. Hey, look at there. Air brakes. Allison automatic. Pioneer sound system. Backup cameras. AC and heater controls. Cruise controls. Manual fan, if you want to turn the fan on, let it run. That little black knob right there, here's what that does. Up on the console or on the dashboard, when you turn this, you can see different things. So there's no faults, there's no nothing. There's everything on it, everything is good, no warnings. Clock isn't right, but we don't care. There you go. You get all kinds of stuff off of it. There's your mileage right there, 150. Just barely turned 150. We put about, oh gosh, probably pretty close to 800 or 900 miles on that. And it's got 8,276 hours. So wow, this thing is, this thing's got a lot of life left in her. You don't have to worry about that right there. This side over here has got the headlights, the dimmers, the flasher systems. It's just the standard Peterbilt stuff. Air brakes, so your dashes for the air brakes. Here's your power window controls, power door locks, heated mirrors, what I think that says over there. Solid truck, so nice. Such a nice truck. So I'm going to just work my way around to the other side over there because I got two more things I want to show you. This truck, I tell you, there's just so much stuff on this thing. You just can't hardly get it all in at one time. So right here, remember those breakers up there? One says generator, one says shore. There you go. You plug in your landline supply right there, and then you can run that, so you don't have to run your truck, and you don't have to run the batteries. Down in here, heavy duty, die-hard, deep cycle batteries. There's 6 of them, guys. There's a control right down there to shut the whole thing off. We usually kill the breakers at the end of the day just so we don't run the batteries down, because if you leave a light or something on, you might forget about it. Brand new batteries, guys. I know that because we just put them in. Kind of spendy. You don't have to do it now. This has got fancy lights underneath it, all the regular lighting, all that kind of good stuff. Such a nice truck. Unbelievable. If you need to get yourself a nice little truck that you can maybe make a portable repair shop out of it, a contractor's truck, make a little motor home out of it. I got guys that have bought these and they run their They put their motorcycles in the back, and then they built themselves the living quarters inside them. You can do all kinds of stuff with that truck. The list is endless. 2015 Peterbilt 337 PX7 motor, turbocharged diesel, Allison automatic. Just turned 150 miles. She's soft on miles. She's good looking. She's ready to go. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.